Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the best trick to win Wasp Dungeon battles and survive much longer. First, let's talk about the best beast. The first beast is Necro Beast. Necro Bee is one of the strongest choices because it can swarm enemy wasps and constantly summon extra units to overwhelm your opponents. And then the next one is Chaos Bee. It's also amazing since it's buff nearby friendly beasts and make them faster and potentially much stronger. And then if your army mostly consists of mythical beasts, just use Overlord Bee. Its buff affect all your mythical units and can greatly increase your team's power. And for pure damage, Turbo Bee is insane. Just pair it with this pair enchantment and you will get the incredible attack speed and DPS. And then you can also try Illusion Speed if you want to copy powerful beasts and create extra value during the battles. And for enchantment, I think Shield is the best options if you want super tanky units. Just combine Shield with the Regions and Necro Beasts to create a front line that can survive for a very long time. And one more important tip, just play with a team, because a coordinate group can push much farther than solo players. And also just mix out your combat tree. This combat tree on here, this combat tree, this one. And then just prioritize HP and lifesteal upgrades first on here, on this tree. And okay, that's it. Just follow these tricks and you will have a much better chance of clearing higher wave in Wasp Dungeon. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.